Hello, Kunan. Good morning. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Very good. So, how are you today, Kunan? How are you?
Thank you.
You're hungry. Oh, I'm also hungry. I want to eat. Have you eaten yet? Yes or not yet?
Yes.
Oh, then why are you hungry?
No.
Oh, no. How are you?
I'm happy.
Oh, happy, not hungry. All right. Anyway, you are now in Everybody Up 2. Oh, Everybody Up 3. Okay. So this is the welcome page. Look at the picture, listen, read, and say. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 2. Welcome. A. Listen, read, and say. 1,
I'm a student. I'm doing my homework in my
Student,
bed.
now
My
in
desk
my
is
dress.
my bed. My favorite subject is math. What's your favorite subject?
2,
It's 6:30 in the evening.
It's
I'm at home.
everything.
I'm listening to music. We eat dinner at 7 o'clock. I'm hungry. I want spaghetti. When do you eat dinner?
3,
I'm excited. I'm playing my new video game in the living room. I like karate. I go to karate class on Mondays. When do you go to English class?
4,
Look, purple flowers. They smell good. My favorite color is purple. I'm wearing a purple shirt and a purple skirt. I'm wearing purple shoes too. What are you wearing?
All right. Now, this time, Kunan, I want you to look and read.
So
I'm a
as
student.
a student, I learn my homework in my bedroom. My
Desk.
dad is need to meet bed. Meet bed. Me how rock
Subject.
subject is math. What's your favorite subject?
Very good. All right. Now, I want you to look at this one. Say, my. My.
My. My.
Very good. Okay, now this is Julie. She is a student.
Julie.
Okay, look at Julie. What is she doing, Kunan?
She doing my homework.
That's right. Very good. Okay, now what is her favorite subject?
Subject.
What is her favorite
My
subject?
my favorite subject is math.
Very good. Okay, you say her favorite subject.
Her is
Favorite
subject
subject is math.
math.
Great. Okay, now what is her name?
name Julie.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now look at Julie. Where is she? Is she in the bedroom, living room, or kitchen? Where is she?
Bedroom.
Yes, very good, Kunan. Now your turn. Look and read.
It is 30 in the living room. I am at home. Some distance then to music. Let me turn up alarm. Well, well, in the world. Okay.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. When do you eat dinners?
Very good. All right, now look at him. What is his name?
Eat my.
Very good. What is Mike doing?
Is
You say he is.
he is listen to music.
Very good. What time is it?
Is 30. 30.
Very good. Okay, what does he want to eat?
Do this is to eat.
Look, what does he
7
want
o'clock.
to eat? Wait a minute. What does he want to eat?
Is 7 o'clock.
He wants to eat
Mm. Spaghetti.
Oh, listen to this. Wait a minute. What does he wants to eat?
Anh ấy muốn ăn gì?
What does he want to eat? He
Is is what?
You say he wants to eat. He wants to eat. Look at Mike. What does he want to eat?
Nhìn Mai xem anh ấy muốn ăn gì.
Is 7. Spaghetti.
Yes. Okay, one more time, Kunan. He wants to eat spaghetti.
He wants to eat spaghetti.
Very good. Okay, what time do they eat dinner?
6 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
That's right. Very good. Okay. How about you? What time do you eat dinner?
Is 7 o'clock.
That's right. Very good, Kunan. Now look and read. Excited.
Israel. I'm playing my new video game in the living room. I like
Karate.
karate. I go to karate class on Monday. When you go to lesson class?
All right. Very good. Now look at this one. Who is this?
Miss Danny.
Very good. Okay. What is he doing?
It do he doing
You say he's playing.
playing my new video game.
One more. He's playing his new video game. One more. He's playing
He
his new video game.
he playing his new video game.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now look at Danny. Where is he? Is he in the bedroom, living room, or dining room?
Danny living room.
That's right. Very good. When does sh- when does he go to his karate class? What does he do on Mondays? What does he do on Mondays?
Anh ấy làm gì vào thứ hai?
It's karate class on Monday.
Yes, very good. He goes to karate. You say he goes to.
He go to karate class on Monday.
Very good. How about you, Kunan? When do you go to English class?
I go to English class on Monday and Friday, Sunday, Saturday.
Very good, Kunan. All right, now look and read.
Look, purple flower, red shrimp, go my favorite color, my purple. I'm in a purple shirt and a purple skirt. I'm in purple
Shoes.
Two. What are you wearing?
Very good. All right. I want you to say good. Good.
Good. Good.
Very good. Okay, now who is this?
It's Emma.
That's right. What is Emma doing? What is she
Uh,
wearing?
uh,
What is she wearing?
yes.
Look at Emma. What is she wearing?
Nhìn em, nhìn Emma xem cô ấy đang mặc gì kìa.
It's purple.
She is
It's
wearing
purple.
a purple shirt
Purple.
and a purple skirt. Okay, now what color is her shoes?
Purple shoe.
What color is her shoes? Look, Kunan, what color is her shoes?
Also,
Yeah, what color?
this. So,
Look, what color is it?
is
It. Look, what color is her shoes?
purple.
That's right, it's purple. Okay, now look at the flowers. What color are the flowers?
Flower. Flower.
Yes, what color are they?
It's purple.
They're purple. Very good, Kunan. All right, so give me a high five, Kunan.
Okay.
Nice. So I'm going to give you 4 stars. Oh no, four. Here it is. Four. Wait a minute. 4 stars. Yeah, 4 stars here. Very good, Kunan. Now this time, Kunan. Oh, let's look at this one. Let's talk about Julie. Okay, so look at Julie. She's doing her homework. What is your favorite subject, Kunan? Look, Julie is asking you, what's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
Okay, what is this?
What's your favorite subject? Do you like math, English, science, or PE?
This?
Look at the picture. Julie is asking you, what is your favorite subject?
Nhìn vào bức tranh, Julie đang hỏi bạn môn học yêu thích của bạn là gì?
My favorite subject is English.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now look, this is Mike. All right? Mike is asking you, when do you eat dinner?
I mm, when it did not at 7 o'clock.
Very good. Okay, now look, Danny is asking you, when do you go to English class?
I mm, I go to English class on Monday, Friday, Sunday, Saturday.
Very good, Kunan. All right, now Emma is asking you, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? Emma is asking you, what are you wearing?
This
Emma đang hỏi bạn đang mặc gì?
is Jason. This this Jason purple and
You, Kunan, you,
soft.
you. You say, I'm wearing. Emma is the one asking you, what are you wearing, Kunan?
Emma là người hỏi bạn đang mặc gì, Conan?
What are you wearing? Okay, look at me. I'm wearing a gray jacket. How about you? What are you wearing?
Then is
You say, I'm wearing.
I wearing is
Okay, I want you to show your clothes.
Được rồi, tôi muốn bạn cho tôi xem quần áo của bạn.
Show me like this. Show me.
show me.
Show me like this.
This
Your clothes. I want to see your clothes so that I will know what are you wearing and I'll help you how to say it.
Tôi muốn nhìn thấy quần áo của bạn để biết bạn đang mặc gì và tôi sẽ giúp bạn cách nói điều đó.
Like that. Show me. Like that.
is dress red purple.
Oh. Are you wearing a purple dress just like Emma?
Bạn có mặc váy màu tím giống Emma không?
Is
Okay. You say, I'm wearing a purple dress.
wearing the purple dress.
Very good, Kunan. All right. So for that one, I'll give you 1 star. Now look at this one, Kunan. Look at the picture, listen, and talk with me. All right. Look, let us practice. Okay. Here. This time we're going to practice just like the children from the previous page. Let me give you an example. Me first.
Lần này chúng ta sẽ thực hành giống như những đứa trẻ ở trang trước. Để tôi cho bạn một ví dụ trước nhé.
All right, so me. Okay, so look, I'm teaching. I'm teaching. No. Here. I'm teaching English. My class, I teach at 11 o'clock in the morning. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
Yeah. Correct.
I want to eat fish and rice. What about you? Okay, look, I'm teaching English. I teach at 11 o'clock in the morning. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock and I want to eat fish and rice. What about you?
Mm. Mm. I
Okay, now
Mm.
your turn, Kun An. Tell me about yourself. Oh, no. Wait a minute.
Đến lượt bạn hãy kể cho tôi nghe về bạn.
Tell me about yourself.
Mouse. Mm. Mm.
All right. So here, your name. What is your name? Your name is Kun An. How old are you?
9 years old.
9. What is your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
English.
Very good. Okay. When do you learn English?
Monday, Friday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. Okay, now, when do you eat lunch? Oh, no, that's right. That's it. All right. So here, Kunan, I want you to tell me about yourself. You say, my name, for example, my name is AM. I am 25 years old. My favorite subject is English, and I teach English every day. Now, your turn. You say, my name.
My name is Ngân. I'm 9 years old.
Very good.
And favorite lesson.
You say, my favorite subject is English.
My favorite subject is English.
Very good.
English.
I
On
study.
Monday.
I learn English on I learn English. One more, Kunan.
Listen on English. Listen on Monday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Sunday. Very good, Kunan. So I'll give you 2 stars for that. All right. Now look about this one. Look at the picture, listen, and say. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 3.
What
See, listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What's the date today?
It's January 1st.
What's? What is?
What?
It's.
What is?
It is. January. February.
January,
March.
February,
April.
March,
May. June.
July,
July.
June,
August.
July,
September.
August,
October.
September,
November.
October,
December.
November,
1st.
December,
2nd. 3rd. 4th.
third,
5th.
fourth,
6th.
fifth,
7th.
sixth,
8th.
seventh,
9th.
eighth,
10th.
ninth,
11th.
10th,
12th.
11th,
13th.
12th,
14th.
13th,
15th.
14th,
16th.
15th,
17th.
15th,
18th.
17th,
19th.
18th,
20th.
19th,
21st.
20,
22nd. 23rd.
27,
24th. 25th. 26th.
25th,
27th.
27th,
28th.
28th,
29th.
29th,
30th.
30th,
31st.
31st.
Right, Kunan. Now look at this one. Okay. This is a calendar. This is a calendar, okay?
Okay.
Đây là một cuốn lịch được chứ?
Okay, this is, you say calendar.
Calendar.
Very good. What is this? What is
Calendar.
this? Very good. Now, on the calendar, we can see the month, the dates, and the year.
Trên lịch chúng ta có thể thấy tháng, ngày và năm.
All right, so look at this one. This is the month. You say month.
Month.
Very good. Then look at this. This is what we call date. Date.
Day. Day.
Very good. And this one is the year. Year.
Year.
Very good. Okay. Now, I want you to look at the calendar. Look at the calendar. What's the date today? What's the date today?
It's
What?
one.
Okay, you say it's January 1st.
It's 20. Is 1/3.
One you say January.
January.
Very good. So look, it's January 1st. All right?
All right.
Very good. So we have if what's, what is, that's the same. It's, it
What
is,
it
that's
is?
the same.
It is.
All right. Now look at this one, Kunan. So here are the 12 months in 1 year.
Vậy đây là 12 tháng trong một năm.
All right, you say January,
January.
February,
February.
March,
March.
April,
October.
May,
May.
June,
June.
July,
July.
August,
Orange.
August.
Orange.
You say oh,
Oh.
August, Gust.
Gosh. Gosh.
Very good. August.
August.
Yes, great job.
August.
September.
September.
One more time. September.
September.
One more. September.
September.
Very good. Your turn.
September.
Nice. All right. October.
October.
Very good. November.
November.
December.
December.
Great job, Kunan. To easily memorize the months of the year, I will let you listen to a song. I will.
Làm tốt lắm, Kunan. Bạn đã dễ dàng ghi nhớ các tháng trong năm. Tôi sẽ để bạn dạy bạn một bài hát.
All right, look. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, now your turn. 1, 2, 3, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great. Now your turn again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right. So you got 2 stars for that. Give me a high five, Kunan. Nice. So for today, you got 10 hearts. Thank you so much for joining our class. All right. And you got a balloon. Goodbye, Kunan. See you next time. Bye.